Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over my porta potty, how to use it, and how to clean it. So this is where my toilet is located. Go ahead and grab this, latch it closed, just like that. There it is, and then to use it, you just open that door, open your lid, and just go ahead and have a seat. To clean your bowl, all you have to do is just press this button, a little bit of liquid comes out, and then to flush it is this small latch here that you pull forward, and it literally just opens and closes the top and the bottom tank. Just make sure you keep it closed or the van will get stinky. To know when your tank needs to be emptied is by this meter right here. So it's all green because it is completely empty, but once that little window turns all red, that means that bottom tank is full and she is ready to be cleaned out. To empty the toilet, I need you to open this back door right here. We're gonna go ahead and open this door, which will bring you to the toilet. This toilet is not attached to the van in any way whatsoever. It is completely contained. You got your top tank and your bottom tank. To empty the tank, the first thing you need to do is just remove the top part of the tank. And to do that, you press this little white handle thing on the back of it and it releases it, and you gotta pull up. It is gonna be heavy because you have the water in there for cleaning your bowl. So use your upper body strength. So I've got it out here, and there's this little white tab right here. You're just gonna press it. There we go. You're gonna take this tank and set it to the side. Now you've got your bottom tank. So this is what the top of the tank looks like. This opens and closes that middle latch right there. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do to empty it is you need to move this over, just shift it over like that. You're gonna remove this cap. It might be a little dirty, so beware. Nobody's perfect. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab it. You grab here and this front handle right here. What you do is you wobble it over. What you do is you wobble it over. It's gonna be really heavy. It's empty right now, so it's really light, but it's gonna be really heavy, and you gotta bring it over to a real toilet or a porta potty. And once you get to it, let's imagine my toilet's right here. We're gonna lean it over. All the contacts are gonna come out of here. You're gonna lean it over, press this white button, and it'll release the air, and then it will come spewing out. It's gonna be really stinky, so be well aware. I have blown up toilets over this. The stink doesn't go away very fast. I got poopy spray in there for you. But once it's all emptied out, and it should be liquefied, I've got some packets in there that I'll show you how to do. Throw those in there to liquefy everything, even the toilet paper. Toilet paper can go in there, no problem. But once it's emptied, I want you can go ahead and remove this thing. So just move it over here. It should be able to be released like that. And then you're gonna add some bleach in here and some water. Do some swishes, dump it out, do more swishes, dump it out. Do like 3 times. Make sure you get all that shit out of there because it's disgusting. Not too much bleach, okay? Don't destroy my stuff. But once you do that 3 times, go ahead and add like 1 inch of water in there, just at the bottom. And then I want you to grab my orange little packets, throw 2 in there, and then reassemble the entire toilet. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get this back on here. Twist this around. And then my packets are under the stove/oven. These are the little packets that I have you guys add in there. Just grab 2 of them. Look like this. And just throw them in there with a little bit of water, and you're good to go. This is a Thetford Porta Potti. And there you have it. So that is how you clean and use my Thetford Porta Potti.